Hello everyone. Welcome back to the Quang Anh Software channel. If you're building Twitter channels to make money or do business on the platform, you want to post regularly. You build a large number of accounts. If you do not have time to post, this will be a great support tool for you. Twitter automation software. The software will support you to manage unlimited Twitter accounts. Then step 1. You need to add for yourself the content posted daily. You can add more content for each day one by one. You can schedule a whole month. After you finish adding the content, you will go to the post here. You will set up for yourself the configuration to post on the personal page. Like setting up content. Select the content that you have added. The second thing that you will allow is duplicate content and the number of posts that you will post in a day. After you set up, you just need to select the Twitter account that you have added to the software. The software will support automatic posting on the profile for you. For those of you who do not know this tool, this will be a tool that supports you to do it completely automatically. You can connect multiple Twitter accounts at the same time to create text, images, and links. You can schedule posts by date and by desired hour. You can automatically run posting campaigns with extremely simple interface and operation, easy and smooth running features. If you're looking to speed up channel building, start with MKTX to grow on Twitter. Then the account feed regularity. It is a mandatory factor, but using hands will be very time-consuming. It's easy to miss, but it takes a lot of work. With software that can help you save hours per week. More professional posts easily increase followers and convert more easily. If you are interested in software, please contact me directly via Telegram or WhatsApp. Me below the description. Don't you forget to like, share, and subscribe to the notification channel to see more good tips and many good features on the social networking platform. Thanks for watching the video and see you in the next one.